Okay, chemistry. So last week started to get into really describing how to identify a particular nucleus in an atom. So right now we're dealing with just one atom at a time. So we have this description and we have this nomenclature for doing that, which is really important. So this week we're going to use that to try to expand our knowledge. So I'm hoping that you can look at the periodic table for something like copper here and know the symbol for copper, know the name for copper, and then also recognize this is element number 29, which means it has 29 protons. So what we're going to start doing now is well, what we did last week is try to interpret what that means, right? So we have this notation that we use. There you go here. So, right. So we have this notation of copper. I'm going to use this upper left-hand quadrant to give it some mass. I don't know what it is, maybe 65 for this atom I'm making up, but it has to be 29. So 29 is the number of protons that makes copper behave like copper. So from this, I need you to get a couple of things. We'll have the number of protons, which is 29, number of neutrons you'll need to figure out, and I know together these add up to 65. So this is the math that I need you to be able to do, right? So it's going to be 36. So this is the math I need you to be able to do so that you can understand what's inside the nucleus of a particular atom. Secondly, we have another way of writing this, and this is to say copper 65. So these two are two different ways of saying the same thing, and you should be able to interpret that. So if I said copper 65, you should be able to figure out with a calculator that it has 36 neutrons. So that's where we're headed, or that's what I was hoping you'd be able to do through last week. If you're comfortable with that, great. Then we're going to start using this, and we're going to start worrying about this as being the mass, and start worrying about this as being the charge, right? In this case, it's a charge of 29 plus. And we'll start using that for explaining what happens in nuclear reactions. Hope that's helpful. Talk to you soon. Bye.